So, I am in a huge pickle, per se. So last night, you know, I was feeling good. I said, me and Macy should go out to dinner. So we went out to dinner. And as I'm checking the form, it says that you have to have an online registration. I never got that. I was told by people in the form that you can sign up at the gate. So I didn't ever sign out an online registration. Well, I figured that out, and I'm like, all right, well, I can't go. Oh well, that's gonna be the end of the video. And now, it's this morning at 8:30, a guy posted in the forum, if you forgot your online registration, you can come to the facility and get a form. Well, guess what we're doing? We're going to the damn facility, and we're getting the damn form, because we're going drifting today, damn it! Looks like other people arriving just as kind of late as I am. Driving meeting's at 9:45, it's 9:20, but man, that's a decent looking 350. Look at that BRZ, man. That thing's sexy. We're registered. We're literally registered. I'm so excited. Also, Randy Popes is here. How freaking sweet is that? Kind of figuring out where they're gonna have this driver meet at. It looks like they're all out though, so I guess they'll call us in.
Yeah, what was that, John?
Yeah, John. I think they have some turns that are kind of tight to the other turns, and there's gonna be multiple people on the track. So I gotta be mindful of others while I'm out there. I don't wanna hit another car or I'll die. They're sliding out there, so I don't know, I kinda wanna go in Group B. They made this way hard. Like, dude, look how big this turn is. It's huge. I literally won't be able to do that. Look at this. Look at all these. Oh man, that thing sounds nuts. Doing a little walk around right now. I don't think it's running right. Look at that car on R15s. Nuts. Like, dude, there's honestly some really, like, built cars here. Like, that thing is nasty. I think that's a turbo Miata. I feel like a peasant. I'm gonna get ready here. Am I nervous? Absolutely. Am I gonna try to send it? Probably. Will I spin out? A bunch of times. Look at this nasty C8 Corvette. Oh my God. That thing is... I've never seen one up close, actually. This is the first one. That thing's beautiful. Huh. They might have a fire, I don't know. Yeah, they do. The extinguisher's out. There goes nothing, man. I am tweaking out a little bit, but I'll be alright. This is all in the name of learning. Honestly, it's gonna be a decent day for temps. 53 degrees out. I literally just have a long sleeve on. Thank God, because I forgot a hoodie. I was in such a rush here. Engine coolant temps at 191. IATs are high, but that's just because I'm sitting here. They'll be literally 53 degrees today, so make good power and man, let's just try to learn. That's all. I'm just trying to get hyped about it. I only have one set of tires today, so I gotta make that work. I gotta say, this line is huge. Like, it's massive. I'll probably get 3 runs in still, but man, it's really massive. Look at that. PRL. Fully, I don't even know what's in that car. It's a sick MV. Oh yeah. Well, my heart's frickin' racing. right. That was the only turn I got right. Interesting though, it wasn't as scary as I thought it'd be. I threw my chain somewhere. I'm not sure where it went, but first one was pretty fun. It's gripped up. It's really gripped up for some reason. I'm gonna send that turn again, man. That was fun. I have a huge smile on my face right now, like massive. I'm gonna send the shit out of that turn today. Dang it, I keep swearing. Alright, I'm just gonna start cutting the swear words out. You guys are gonna hear a lot of swearing cut out today because this shit is awesome. Man, that was so cool. Dude, that Miata is beautiful. Truly beautiful. Oh man, that makes me miss my car so much. And this freaking 4-door in front of me makes me miss my E36, man. It's got a nice, I think it's a Big Duck Club aero or over fenders. Thing looks so good. Going up for our next run. Control on. Damn it, I turned it on. Pushing a lot too. Alright, I dropped the tire pressure down a little bit. We're just at 30 because I don't really have an air compressor to get it back up, so I gotta be kind of mindful. I'm going back out there now. Make sure I turn off traction control again. first session was... Dang, he's pretty good. He's pretty good. Gotta get a clip of that. First session was decent. You know, I'm still a little upset about last one, but no biggie. Going up for a 4th round of the day today. Just gonna figure out that second turn because I keep spinning out on it. It ain't running. Threw a check engine light. It isn't pulling at all.
Shit.
Nah, it's not giving me anything. Yeah, it lost like half its power there. Well, it threw a check engine light for cam code. No big deal, it's just a sensor. I unplugged it, plugged it back in, clear the code, code's off, so I'm gonna send it, take this guy for another ride. That was actually the best drift I've done all day. It's got like half the power again. Nah, it's definitely still got that cam
It's
sensor.
off. Yeah. Come on, girl. I just want to say, to those who were like me when I was 18 and way too scared to sign up to do this, like literally I'm sitting in this line right now and it's no pressure at all. Like, don't be scared to give this stuff a shot, because to be real, it's actually a lot of fun. This is a great day. I mean, I'm having a blast despite throwing a check engine light. Almost forgot to record that time. Out there. Well, it's gonna be the end of today, man. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Unfortunately, I'm throwing a steady cam sensor code, both intermittent and I think it says high output. I'm not sure. Regardless, it's gonna need a cam code or a cam sensor. I will get that handled this week. No big deal. I will be back for the next event next month. This has been a blast, a total blast. I'm so glad I went. No regret at all. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. I wanna thank everyone who's new, who's watching my video. Thank you
comment,